8 Baby reflexes every new parent should know. In this video, we will discuss. Newborn babies are full of surprises. Their tiny jerks, twitches, and sudden movements may look unusual, but they're often just natural reflexes. What are baby reflexes? Reflexes are involuntary actions and automatic responses to external stimuli. In newborns, these reflexes help with survival and show that the brain and nervous system are working properly. Which reflexes should be present in your newborn baby? 1. Root reflex. The root reflex helps babies find the breast or bottle. When you gently stroke their cheek, they'll turn toward the touch and open their mouth. This reflex is essential for feeding and usually fades by the time your baby is 4 months old. 2. Moro reflex. When a baby hears a loud noise or feels a sudden movement, they'll throw their arms and legs out, then pull them back in and might even cry. This reflex can be surprising to watch, but it's completely normal. It usually disappears by the 2nd month. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby development related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Tonic neck reflex. Also known as the fencing position, the tonic neck reflex happens when your baby turns their head to one side, then stretches the arm on that side and bends the other. This reflex typically fades by 4 to 5 months. 4. Writing reflex. This reflex helps your baby protect themselves. If something covers their face like a blanket, they'll shake their head or flail their limbs to remove it. This protective reflex lasts until your baby's muscles mature, usually within the 1st year. 5. Withdrawal reflex. This reflex helps babies avoid danger. If something suddenly approaches their face, they'll turn their head away, an instinct that stays for life. 6. Tongue thrust reflex. This reflex protects babies from choking. When something touches their tongue, they push it out, which is helpful when introducing solids. It's common for babies to reject food at first. This reflex usually disappears by the 4th to 6th month. 7. Grasp reflex. Place your finger in your baby's palm and they'll grasp it tightly. This grasp reflex is one of the most heartwarming. As muscle control improves, this reflex fades, typically after the 3rd month. 8. Stepping reflex. When held upright with their feet touching the ground, babies will appear to walk. This reflex usually disappears within the first 2 months. These reflexes are part of your baby's natural development. They may look odd at times, but they're reassuring signs that your little one is growing just as they should.